Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little quickie. It's an in-depth wing liner tutorial. So if you don't know how to get that cat eye or find another product that works better for you, this is my holy grail regimen. I have been wearing wing liner since I was like 15 or 16. So I might know a little bit, or you know, a thing or two about it. I can get my wing liner on in like a minute. So if you want to learn how, stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below so you don't miss anything from me. Okay, we are getting real up and close and personal today. I have already prepped my lids with Urban Decay's eye primer. I did a little bit of like a matte light color, a little something in my crease. I popped a little bit of highlighter just right in my tear ducts. What I'm going to be using today, I actually got this set this past week at Sephora, which I thought was great. The eyeliner I usually use is Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper. She came out with a new one called Dagger that has a little bit more of a angle, like a little bit wider with a little bit of an angle on the tip, and I wanted to try that, but I love my Trooper, so I couldn't decide. So they came out with this set, which is awesome because I was able to get both. Tattoo Liner Duo. This is the Trooper one. This is the new one, Dagger, which has a little bit of an angle, which I think is good for people who are just starting out and want to be able to get a little bit more. I think it's easier like going over the lid part with that one. And the Trooper is better for getting like down here in the corner, like your line straight, but the Dagger is way more user friendly. Let's start with Dagger. I'll show you that one first. What I usually do, I'll show you with the Trooper one, is you want to follow the line from underneath all the way up. Basically you draw a line out as far as you want it to go, and just straight up you want to follow that same line, because sometimes I see people go out here and it's not going to look right. You want to follow your eye shape. So we'll go here and just flick it up, and I'll use the Dagger one just so you guys can see that that's a little bit easier. So you want to get it on the flat side here. And you're basically just following the line all the way to the end. I just get as close as I can. To the lash line. Like I said, you just want to go like on the flat side all the way to the end. And now since this one is a little bit more like diagonal, it's like angled, you want to make sure you get the angle like this way. I did not realize you can't see my eye in this shot, but you'll be able to see it on the other eye. And all you're doing is connecting the end here to the middle, and like connecting the end here to your pupil right here at the end. And then just filling everything in. See, already that looks good. All I need to do is like soften that line there. And it's literally like the tiniest little detail, but as long as it connects, I'm happy. I'll use the Trooper so you guys can see on the other side what that looks like, using that one all over. So I just get close to the lash line. This one, since it's not so wide, you have to go back. And then just going here. Just connecting it, and then just filling it in right in here. that one I didn't really have to go too much in the corner. And I'm also trying out this new lash liner. It's Kat Von D also. What I really like is they're a vegan line, they're cruelty free. It stays really, really well. Like, it's good quality product. I always have a problem with things like running down here. So far so good, but it's this really like spongy tip. And all we're doing is, look at how black that is. I got a little bit in my eye. It's like so dark. I love that. That was the lash liner. That one was $20. The set was actually $20 as well. But if you wanted to just buy one or the other, the Trooper or the Dagger liner, those retail for $20. Mine lasts me months. Like, I don't have to buy it that often. They don't come off. You can go all day. It has done me no wrong. It just is amazing. So that's why I will continue to buy it over and over again. So after I did the liner, all I did was add mascara. And I was like, I'm not gonna do any lashes. And then I added some lashes. These ones are just like some cheapy like red cherry ones. But yeah, this is it. I'll leave everything else that I have on my face in the description. Leave me comments below of anything else you want to see from me or any suggestions. See you guys later.